What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is a battery charge comparison between the OPPO Find X5 Pro against the Xiaomi 12. So the Find X5 Pro is using OPPO's SuperVOOC charger. As for the Xiaomi 12, it appears to be using Qualcomm's Quick Charge 3. Now for the battery size, it's not exactly the same. It is 5000 mAh versus 4500, 80 watts versus 67 watts, and they do sort of balance out in terms of the battery size. Which one of these phones will win? Let's find out in this video. Up first is the OPPO Find X5 Pro. It has a 5000 mAh battery, and in the box you get a 80 watt SuperVOOC charger, and you can see the voltage details on the left, and it comes with a USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. Then we have the Xiaomi 12. It has a 4500 mAh battery, and in the box you get a 67 watt Quick Charge 3 charger, and you can see the voltage details on the right, and it comes with a USB-A to USB Type-C charging cable. So just before starting the test, I have made sure the batteries are fully drained, and I will turn it on here so you can see that they are completely flat. So now I'm just going to start the timer, and what I'll do is check the timings every 5 minutes or so. So coming up to the first 5 minutes, the OPPO Find X5 Pro is at 8% and the Xiaomi 12 is at 14%. Coming up to 10-minute mark, the OPPO Find X5 Pro is at 30% and the Xiaomi 12 is at 36%. Both of these phones are respectively at 30% or more. At 15 minutes, the OPPO Find X5 Pro is at 48% and the Xiaomi 12 is at 55%, so it already has filled up more than half its battery. At the 20-minute mark, the OPPO Find X5 Pro is at 64% and the Xiaomi 12 is at 68%. The Find X5 Pro is starting to close the gap. At 25 minutes, both of the phones have charged up to 79%. At the half an hour mark, the OPPO Find X5 Pro is at 92% and the Xiaomi 12 is at 89%. The Find X5 Pro has taken the lead. At 35 minutes, the OPPO Find X5 Pro is at 99% and the Xiaomi 12 is at 96%. Checking back after just 1 minute, the OPPO Find X5 Pro has fully charged to 100% in just 36 minutes, and this is really impressive, especially that it has a 5000 mAh battery. As for the Xiaomi 12, it is at 97%. Checking in at 40 minutes, the Xiaomi 12 is at 99%. Checking back after 1 more minute, the Xiaomi 12 is still at 99%. And then after another minute, the Xiaomi 12 has fully charged to 100%, and the difference between the two is 6 minutes. So that is the end of this battery charge comparison, and here are the timings at a glance. In just 10 minutes, both of the phones were at 30% or more. In just 20 minutes, both of the phones were over 60% charged. Then 5 minutes later, they were both at 79%. As for the OPPO Find X5 Pro, it fully charged in 36 minutes, and the Xiaomi 12 fully charging at 42 minutes. One thing I do want to say is that I actually thought the Xiaomi 12 was going to win based on how it was performing in the beginning, but the OPPO Find X5 Pro did pull through and it did finish first, and it just goes to show that SuperVOOC is amazing. So what did you think of this battery charge comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. There will be a gaming test as well as a full review, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release my videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.